afternoon. My name is Jhon Vidal Ramirez. I am going to the story movie Escalofrios. I am Hannah. I am sad. Sad, this is my house. I already introduced you to my family. I am Stein, Hannah, father at the author of Chill, please don't touch and book. Hannah, your house is very strange. I see main boots with padlocks. Cannot be careless, relax the snob monster. I am happy and relax and the monster. Hannah, we must convince your father to write a next story. Of course, so the monster will be looked again. I must write a next story, but on a special delivery. At last, I have finished reading the book. We got all the monster. Such the book must be born. Of course, the monster will never come back. Hence, here it stands.